Hey guys, and we're back, and we're finally getting around to Tempeh opening video. I've had these months, so kept them so we could open a video. The temptation has been killing me, and to be honest, I can't remember exactly what we ordered. So obviously a massive delay from Royal Mint, and then taking me a while to get around to the video. So, see what we've got in this first one. We've got, I think this is one of the display cases. Yeah. Alright, okay. So how does this work then? Oh, brilliant. So you put your Tempehs in there. So you put your name, or in my case, my surname, spell it, and then I presume that's the one you display. So surname or something along there, and then put that outside. Oh, that's cool. Look it up. Oh, I'll fill that one in a bit. What else do we have? Got some scissors or a knife. So in here is obviously the Tempehs and pick out some of the books for the coin hunt, although to be honest we're now months and months in and I haven't found any. Give them all like a knife. It's a bit better to go this then. That's what we've got to start with, but learn. Oh, it's well packaged, put it that way. Also taped up. Okay, so these are obviously hand-picked. So these are the coins I've ordered. Look, that's the hunt case, and then I bought this, and then wow, that's great packaging that. Give me a moment. So I bought some of the silver proofs. I bought some previously as well, so it's a bit annoying, but that's B for Bond, W for Webb, A for Angels of the North, C for Cricket, and this one should be K if I'm right. If I remember. Yeah, there you go. K for King Arthur. So, very nice coins. It's a shame B was out of its container. Should be alright. Cool, very nice. So this is the unboxing. And obviously the letters in here. So there should be at least one of each, and then two of other ones, some fours and that, depending on what I was trying to spell out. It's got in my presentation case. So yeah, really good. Actually, what we can do while we're on video is this is the case for the silver proofs. So the idea was I was going to buy one a month and fill this up. Comes in a nice black cloth. Try and keep that clean. Quite a nice looking case. Which way is it open? Obviously the way I didn't put it. So that's what the presentation case looks like. The tray pops out and It's just a velvet underneath, so in theory we should be able to put A there. B. C. G, H, I, J, K should go there. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W goes there. So they're the ones I bought just because I thought that Bond would be rare. I bought Bond and other ones are just letters. So very nice. It's a nice case that. I don't know if I'll ever fill it with silver proofs, but we will see one day. I'd like to. I'll just put that back in there so it doesn't get damaged while we're videoing. And then these. If I put these here, open, there we go. There's all the other letters. So I'll show you these before the video, and hopefully some of you guys have found some. But yeah, that's the Tempe unboxing. I might make one of these up with the letters, or I might do what this is intended for, and that's the ones I find, actually put them in there because it is a coin hunt. It is supposed to be fun, but I did decide to treat myself and bought quite a few of these. So anyway, as you can see in the background, we're back to the 50p hunting, and that'll be the next video. So see you soon, guys. Ta-ra.